Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will discuss about array unshift method. So guys, when we talking about array unshift method, it may comes two things in our mind, that is array shift method and array splice method. So guys, first of all I will discuss about difference between array shift method and array unshift method. So if I say array shift method, so array shift method remove the first element of an array, but array unshift method works conversely of array shift method. That means array unshift method add some element to the first of an array. That means guys, suppose here I have an array, and in this array I have some values like a, b, c and d. So array shift method remove first element of this array. That means it will be remove the value of a, because a is now the first element. That the shift method. So if I write here in the comment, so shift method remove first element, okay, but unshift method add element to the first. So the difference is, you can say here, now I have written the shift method remove first element, but unshift method add some element to the first of an array. That means unshift method add element first means the index position is 0, so that means here. So here it adds some value. So that's the difference of array shift method and array unshift method. And after that I will show you the syntax of unshift method, but before that I will discuss about the difference between array splice method and unshift method also. So here I think it's clear now, the difference of array shift and array unshift method. And now I will discuss about the difference between array splice method. So I will remove the I will write here another thing, that is splice method. So guys, you know, if you had my previous tutorial, so you know splice method also adds some value. So here you can see unshift method add some element, or you can say it value in the to the array. So same, the splice method also add some element to the array. So where is the difference between splice and unshift method? So guys, splice method add element, or you can say it value to the array, but as per your choice, that means you set the index number. So in this splice method, the time to splice method, if you write the index number is 0, so then it will be add element to the first position. But if you write index number is 2, suppose, so that means 0, 1, 2. So instead of C, it will be add the element which you want to add. And the another thing, the main difference is that, but here the another benefit of array splice method, it remove the element also. But here I will not discuss about the splice method. If you want to know about splice method, so you can watch my previous tutorial. I will provide the link of array splice method and array shift method also, so you can watch this tutorial, and then it will be understand the difference of shift method, splice method and unshift method. So hope now you can understand little bit of difference. So now I will show you the syntax of array unshift method. So before that guys, I will show you the original value of this array. So I will go to the index.html file, and just here I will create a h2 tag, and inside this h2 tag I will take an id, because in this h2 tag I will show you the original value. And when I will show you, when I will click a button, so button type is button, and now here I will write on click method, because when I will click this button, so that's why I have to write a on click method. And the method name is func. So method name always you can write as per your choice, and the button name is click. So same button name you can write as per your choice. And now I will copy this method name, and just here I will print. And now in this method I will use fetch arrow function. So I always say guys, you can write function keyword also, otherwise you can write fetch arrow function. So guys, here I will use fade arrow function because ECMAScript 6 introduce our fade arrow function, so we should upgrade our new features. So fade arrow function, and now to write anything in this inside this function, first of all I will show you the original value. So here I have taken demo id, so I will copy this id and just here I will write document dot get element by id, and the id is demo, which I already copied, and in a HTML, and now copy this variable name and array. So now first of all I will show you it comes a button, here is the button or the original value which I have printed in this h2 tag. So I will show you it's coming the output or not. So refresh, so here you can see the button and the original value. So when I will click this button, so then I will use the unship method. Okay, so now I have to be write the unship method inside this function because this function is working as a click method which I have defined in the button here. So now in this button I want to use unship method in this array, so I will copy this variable array again, I will copy it now and paste here, and the syntax is simple, just unshipped parenthesis, and now which value we want to add. Suppose I want to add the value is f. So now I told you in this splice method you set the index number where it will be at, but the unshipped method it's automatically add the value on the first position of this array. That means before of the a, because a is now first position, so the f will be added before a. It's automatically it will be add. So now I will be at here. So now again I have to print this array. So just I will copy this one and I will paste this. So I will save here and now refresh. So here you can see it's added a value. So here you can see, so it's added value f. So in this way you can add another value g, so it will be add g. Here you can see it's added a value. But if you are using the splice method, so then you can choose the index number where you want to add the value, so as per your choice. But unship method is not, it's automatically, you can say it's statically added into the first position of this array. So here is the unship method. So hope guys this video is help to you, and if you want to get more this type of JavaScript video, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon, because when I will update any video, so it will be comes to you. And if you have any doubt, so please write a comment. And guys, if you find any this video is helpful, so please don't forget to like this video.